Prepare scissors and tools, and first remove the wheels. Tighten the left brake first. Loosen the screws securing both handles for easy removal. Insert two silver installers. Reinstall the left and right handles of the controller. Fix the front brake. Reinstall the left and right handles of the controller. Install front fender. Tighten the screws. There are 3 screws on the front panel. Unscrew the large screw on the back seat. Align the 3 screw holes on the rear panel. Install the pedals. Pay attention to the letters marked on them. L is for the left side, R is for the right side. Please install the foot pedals with the curved side facing the front of the bike. Put the spring downside. Then fix the peg in its place. Push the screw. Lastly, twist the pin inside the screw. Open the parts box and take out the headlights. Connect the light power cord. Align the headlights with the mounting holes on the car and tighten the screws. It is recommended to use a shim for fixation. Test whether the lighting effects are turned on and off normally. Remove the plastic from right brake by pressing it. Unscrew the axle. Remove the plastic between the brake pads. Place your wheel aligned with pads.